Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the headlight on my Mercedes-Benz C280. Thanks for joining me. Apparently there are a lot of birds out here. I don't know if you can hear them or not. It's also pretty cold. So I'm going to bring this car into the garage and change out the headlight. So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start by opening the hood. And back here is where those lights go in. And I can see one of the covers. Just looking to see if I can see where the other one goes in. I've also seen videos where they take the front bumper off, but I don't think I need to do that. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but right back here, there is this cover. And I'm trying to see where I can maybe set this up where you can see, hopefully. So I can see the light right here. So I'm just going to twist the collar. There's a little collar in there that you twist, and then this pulls out. I just need to unplug this and put the new one on, and we'll see if you guys can see this. I don't know because I've got the camera sitting on a little ledge here inside the car, but I was able to get this out, so I just need to unplug that and then plug in the new one and put it in. I really don't have anything to set this on. I gotta get the new bulb out. This is an H7, so I picked these up at the auto parts store. Go ahead and get this changed out. You do want to be careful that you don't touch the glass on the new bulb. Oops. And then you just need to put that back inside the housing here. And you can feel that little plastic collar in there. You just need to twist that to hold the bulb. And then once that is on, you can put this cover back in here. And once you get that in there, it clips right on. Not sure why there's a zip tie here, but there is. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn the light on, make sure that it works. All right, so that was actually pretty easy to change out the bulb on this. The space is a little tight, but other than that, not too bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.